guys, so welcome back to my page. Today I'm packing my hospital bag. Okay, I've packed my hospital bag, but I want to quickly show you what I have in my hospital bag as a third time mom, and I promise I won't be doing too much. So I'll start with, because in this box I have everything for me and for baby. So I'll start with baby zone. I'll quickly run it through. I have baby's toiletries, lotion, body cream, and then the baby wash, all from Aveeno. Then I have this neck stuff for the baby. This one is the bib. I got some of it because babies usually need it in the first few months of life. They use it a lot, but they're always regurgitating. Then the next is the welcome balloon, out to be blown and then used to decorate the hospital corner. I have the going home outfits all packed with the beanie caps and then the matching socks and everything in here. I have the baby bottle in case I don't produce milk immediately, baby is born. This is the formula, so they all go together. I have this milestone welcome sticker. This is baby towel. Everything in here is like a pair of sleep suits and a bodysuit. So this is what I mean. I'm feeling like maybe should wear this on the first day. How cute is it? With this one and then a matching white cap. So I have some pairs matched this way in here. So it depends on our mood on the day. We choose which color maybe we wear. I have this, I have this, I have other ones inside, so it depends. I promise I'm not doing too much, so just stick with me. Then I think the last thing I have for baby is the blankets. So I have the cozy blanket here. I have the receiving blankets and then the wash clothes here. And this is an extra socks in case it's needed. So for context, baby is expected to be a boy, so that's why you're seeing these colors here. I guess you'll be seeing this video when baby is born, so we'll find out then if we are correct or not. I hope we are correct. So for me, the first thing I packed is this my going home outfit, and see, baby boy color. Then my flip-flops, my postpartum belt, pajamas, nursing bra, another pajamas, because I have long and short sleeves. Then I got this. This is the Freedom Moms. If you can see it clearly, this is the Freedom Moms cooling pad liners. I heard it helps, so why not? Then sanitary pads. So this is all I have for me and baby. So tell me, did I do too much? Did I try? For a third time mom, how did I do? And for this I forget, these are disposable panties. So that's all for today. Hope I did well. Let me know what you think about my bag in the comment section. Thank you.